Hi folks, Travis Loudermilk here from Windows Phone Dev Podcast. What we're going to be showing is a comparison of an AT&T unbranded Samsung Focus running NoDo on the left and the same device still in the death clutches of AT&T's unwillingness to release the update. That would be the phone on the right. What we're going to start off with here is a cold boot, and you'll notice that the NoDo device boots up just a little bit faster than the non-NoDo device. Now, if you're wondering how I got the NoDo update on this AT&T Samsung Focus, make sure to tune into our podcast this week. You can find us at wpdevpodcast.com. So there you see the phone on the left, the NoDo, running a little bit quicker. Now I'm going to have to enter my PIN, so I'm going to cut that out. But basically, both devices are configured exactly the same way. You can see that I'm running the same applications. Everything is configured exactly the same. Two AT&T Samsung Focuses, except for the one on the left is running NoDo, the one on the right is not. I'm going to load up Fruit Ninja here, and I do it at the exact same time so we can see how the NoDo loads up just a little bit quicker on the game. Now what I'm going to do is go back to the home screen so that I can test the performance of the resume functionality that we know is a little bit quicker with the NoDo update. As you can see here, NoDo comes up a lot quicker than the non-NoDo device. Now what I'm going to do is show you the marketplace search. Now there's a lot of improvement with NoDo running marketplace. You can see the background image comes up much quicker. It's just far more responsive using NoDo than the first version. What I'll do here first is I'm going to search for an artist. In this case, I'll search for U2. So I'm going to put in U2 in both devices and hit search at the exact same time. And what you'll notice is that NoDo is able to return results much quicker. There you see the album art and the other information come in much quicker on the NoDo device. Now I'm going to do the same thing with an application search. I hit the application hub and then I go ahead and hit search, and I'm going to search for my favorite application, Greedy. So I'll basically put Greedy in both devices and try to search at the same time. Now what you should notice on the NoDo device is that the results come back almost instantaneously, whereas we wait a little bit for the non-NoDo device to come up, especially when it comes to the artwork. But now what I'm going to do is do a search for something more general, like food. Now we know with the NoDo update, it's able to just search applications, whereas on the non-NoDo device, it's going to bring back everything. So I type in food in both devices, the search results come right up with NoDo, and it's only including applications like Yelp and Where, which would be applications that might be associated with food. Whereas on the non-NoDo device, I get artists and songs and music, and the search results just take a while to come up, if not at all. So now I'm going to go back to the home screen, and I'm going to just show one more time here. I go back to the marketplace, not much difference there in performance. But then what I'll do is I'll scroll down here and I'll go ahead and load up Fruit Ninja just one more time, and we'll see with the NoDo device, Fruit Ninja comes up much quicker. So there you have it, NoDo's already loaded. Non-NoDo, we had to wait for just a bit there. Again, if you're interested in how I was able to perform the NoDo update on a Samsung Focus, make sure to check us out at wpdevpodcast.com. That's Windows Phone Dev Podcast, the exclusive podcast for Windows Phone development.